Let's see another question. How do we solve by using quadratic formula? So we know that the quadratic formula to solve the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is given by x equal minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Here plus and minus giving you the two values of x. The term b square minus 4ac, we denote by d, is called the discriminant. So now, solving this, first let's compare this equation with the standard quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, let's find the value of the constants like a, b, and c. So, if we look at the given equation, a stands for the coefficient of x power 2. So, here the coefficient of x power 2 is 2. So, a takes value 2. Similarly, b stands for the coefficient of x. But here what we can see, no x term. So, when there is no x term, it means the coefficient of b is 0. You need to be careful here. When the term is not available in the given equation, the coefficient becomes 0. Then c is the constant term with the positive sign. Here the constant term is 64 with the negative sign. So it is minus 64. Okay, now the quadratic formula is, yes, what is it? X equal minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So let's find this discriminant b square minus 4ac in advance. So this gives you b power 2. It means 0 power 2 minus 4. A is 2 and c is minus 64. 0 power 2 is nothing but 0. This negative sign with this negative sign become positive. So what does this give you? 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 64. How much it is? 500. And so you get the value of discriminant as b square minus 4ac as 512. It is a positive value. So it means the roots are going to be real and distinct. Okay. So let's see what are the roots. So x equal minus b means minus of 0 plus minus square root of, here it becomes 512 over 2 is 2. So when we are solving it further, what you can do is 0 plus minus something. It is plus minus square root of 512 over 4. So at this stage, what you can do is you can directly solve the value by using a calculator, like solve square root of 512 by calculator. It gives you something like 22.6 something and then divide by 4. So you use calculator and get the answer as 5.6 something. Okay. Suppose if you don't want it in the decimal form, so what else you can do is you can do the simplification without using calculator. So for that, what we know? We know that 512 is 8 power 3. Like if you multiply 3 times 8, you will get 512. So when we say square root of 512, it's same as square root of 8 multiply 8 multiply 8. As this 8 is appearing 2 times, you can write it as 8 root 8. So you can express 512 as 8 root. Again, I'm saying it's optional. You can use the calculator instead and get your answer. So x equal plus or minus but you can write in place of 512 8 root 8 over 4. So when you cancel 4 and this 8, you will get 2. So you get your answer as plus or minus 2 root 8. So you have two different values of x as positive 2 root 8 and negative 2 root 8. Okay, and if you solve this by using calculator, you will see that it is same as 5.6. So it is up to you. Either do it directly by calculator or you can do the manual simplification in this way. Both will be same. Okay.